Yes, it happens. You set up your coffee machine. Selected your preferred drink, and then this. Before moving on to the next step, try this method. First of all, ensure the water tank is properly filled and seated correctly. Remove the drip tray and grounds container, empty them and place them back properly. Remove the brew group, rinse it under warm water and check for any stuck coffee grounds. After completing these steps, turn off the coffee machine, unplug it from the socket, wait for a few moments, then plug it back in and turn it on. If the issue still persists, proceed to the next step. The second solution is to fix the grinder motor. For this step you will need the torque stand screwdriver and a pair of pliers. For your safety, make sure the coffee machine is turned off and unplugged from the power source. Remember the position of grinder adjustment wheel, or simply take a photo of it before moving to the next step. Remove all coffee beans from the coffee machine. Take torque stand screwdriver. There will be 4 screws that you need to unscrew. And take out this plastic cover. Select all the remaining coffee beans. Unplug the cover held by the adjustment wheel and lift it up. Remove all the remaining coffee beans from the coffee grinder. This step is not necessary if you are not planning to replace the coffee grinder motor. I will put the part number and link in the description. The cause of the problem is that there are no contact between the motor brushes and the current motor rotation position, which we can confirm using a multimeter. After rotating the motor slightly, the contact reappears. Now that we know the cause of the problem, to fix it we need to lift the grinder motor up. Use the pliers to rotate the motor using this metal lever. You can do it with your hands, but it's not very comfortable. Place the grinder motor back into the position. Place the rubber ring back in the place. Reattach the plastic cover. Place the adjustment wheel back in the same position as it was before. Place the beans cover back on and tighten the screw. Enjoy your coffee.